Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect a hard disk, desktop, or laptop hard disk to your Android mobile or tablet easily, step by step. To connect, we require some items that you can source locally. Here, you can see we can use one OTG to connect our flash drive to mobile. This is a 16 GB flash drive. Once connected, you can see the USB detected. To confirm once again, go to the settings and storage. You can see, the first one is mobile internal storage and the second one is our flash drive. Now, let's try to connect a laptop hard disk also the same way. For that, we need a connector called SATA to USB converter, which is available locally in most of the computer shops and online as well. This is a 500 GB hard disk. Connect this side to the hard disk. Then the USB side to the OTG. See, it is detected now. To confirm this, go to the settings and storage. The first one is mobile internal storage and the second one is the hard disk. Now let's try to connect the desktop hard disk to the mobile the same way. This is 500 GB hard disk. Same way, try to this side to hard disk and USB to OTG. See the light shown here but not detected. To confirm this, go to the storage and see only mobile internal storage is showing here. This is because of this hard disk requires more power to run the disk inside. This mobile can't provide enough power to run the hard disk. So the solution is to provide extra power to the hard disk. For that, we need a desktop power supply. This SATA connector can be connected to the hard disk to provide power. And the small one is for data transfer. To run this power supply, connect a jumbler to the green wire and black wire. Connect power to the SMPS. See, there is no voltage. To switch on, put the jumper in green and black wires. Now see, the SMPS came on and the voltage shows. We just connect the power only to hard disk. And to connect data, we have to use a SATA cable. This is a SATA cable and have to modify one end of this. Just cut the plastic and make it like this. This is the end we are using to connect on converter for data transfer. Connect the modified SATA side to the connector data port. Connect the other end of SATA cable to the hard disk. And connect power to the hard disk. Now the disk started running. And connect USB to the OTG. Now, see, the hard disk is detected. Once click on it, it will ask you to format it. Just format the hard disk. Done. Now go to the storage option and see the hard disk is showing here now. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please support us by give a like to our videos and subscribe our channel.